In the deep, controlled pens, these stingrays glide like armored wings drifting through shadows.
This isn't the open ocean. It's a purpose-built farm engineered to raise one of the toughest materials on Earth.
Each stingray carries a natural suit of armor, a pattern of hard, polished pearls that no other animal on the planet has.
Nature's design, the start of every masterpiece.
Before they ever touch the ocean pens, every stingray starts life inside this high-tech nursery.
Robotics handle every detail, tracking water purity, oxygen, and temperature with zero mistakes.
The layout is industrial, the purpose is biological, and everything here is built for efficiency and growth.
If the metrics meet the standard, the system marks the ray for gentle extraction. Once inside, the gates close, and the process moves to the next stage.
Once they're strong enough, they're released into vast ocean pens to grow into full-sized giants.
Automated feeders glide overhead, delivering food across acres of controlled water.
Here, time, diet, and design compene, shaping each stingray into a perfect source of shagreen.
Every harvest starts with selection. Only the healthiest rays with flawless skin patterns qualify.
AI scans the texture, counts pearl density, and measures the strength of the natural armor.
Inside the holding dome, every ray is inspected one last time before extraction begins.
The extraction platform keeps the animal supported, calm, and barely above the waterline.
Monitors track every heartbeat, making sure the animal experiences zero strain.
The top layer sheds naturally. Technicians simply assist the process with surgical accuracy. What's taken is just millimeters thick, but it holds one of the toughest natural textures on Earth.
And within seconds, the ray returns to the water unharmed, ready to regenerate what was removed. Across the facility, the same process repeats, precise, humane, and engineered for sustainability.
Once collected, the shagreen enters the cold lab to prevent any loss of texture or strength.
Temperature drops instantly, locking every micro-pearl in place.
Microscope scans confirm uniformity, no tearing, no defects. UV treatment strengthens the texture, giving it the resilience that designers pay fortunes for.
By the time it leaves this room, the shagreen is preserved, perfected, and ready for refinement. Each dermal denticle is a micro-fortress, tiny, round, unyielding. Nothing cuts it, not even steel. This is nature's armor perfected.
Look closer. Every pearl is unique, creating strength in diversity.
Durability you can see and feel, a natural shield that will last a lifetime.
From raw armor to luxury canvas, the transformation begins with precision.
In the sanding hall, raw skin meets technology, a mechanical symphony of precision.
The skin enters the sander, each movement controlled to perfection.
It passes along the belts, friction sculpting the natural pearls.
Each denticle is refined. The texture emerges, ready for its final polish.
Out the other side, armor becomes canvas, ready for the luxury finish.
Every particle
tells a story of precision and patience.
Quality control ensures perfection. Nothing is left to chance.
A hall of machines, each contributing to the birth of luxury. Belts glide, pearls smooth. Science and nature in tandem.
The transformation is visible, raw natural armor into refined material.
Buffing machines bring life, highlighting every pearl.
Gloss rises, the texture deepens, the leather begins to shine.
And the central pearl, nature's signature, is made to stand out.
A single highlight, a mark of luxury and precision.
From matte to shine, the difference is clear, dramatic.
Even the human touch remains essential, finishing every detail.
Next comes color. Every piece immersed in vats of liquid luxury.
Each pearl drinks the pigment, creating depth and life in the texture.
Out of the dye, transformed, radiant, and ready for refinement.
A rainbow of luxury, controlled, precise, and uniform.
Every piece is checked. Perfection is non-negotiable.
Polish and shine. The lacquer room adds the final layer of protection.
Each piece glides beneath the sprayers, precise, consistent.
Each piece glides beneath the sprayers, precise, consistent. A flawless, glossy finish, catching every highlight, every pearl shines.
The shine is instantaneous, the surface protected for life.
Drying is just as precise, every skin treated like a masterpiece.
Automation meets craftsmanship, ensuring speed without sacrificing quality.
Every piece tells a story, from nature to your hands.
Join us in this journey and witness the magic of luxury in every pearl.
Precision meets power, cutting the armor without compromise.
Every line and curve calculated. Perfection in every cut.
Technology shapes nature's finest work into luxury masterpieces.
No blade can touch it, only light and water craft the form.
Every motion precise, each skin perfected for luxury. From raw armor to high-end craftsmanship, each detail counts. Texture, durability, and elegance combined. Every strap tells a story of precision.
Luxury meets innovation. The result is flawless.
Even the smallest creation commands attention.
Craftsmanship preserves the value. Human touch completes the journey.
Every piece ready, a story of nature, science, and skill.
Notice the detail, the central pearl, a symbol of perfection.
Every pebble tells a story of strength and resilience. Rich color enhances the natural armor.
Precision drying locks in perfection.
Automation and care in perfect harmony.
Each stitch is deliberate. Each detail counts.
The tactile beauty of natural armor. Now, a masterpiece.
Luxury begins with presentation. Every mark confirms authenticity and excellence. Witness the journey from ocean to opulence.